We've got cars. We've got parts. We've got work to do. All right. Bought this thing as a Christmas present, and like a week after I bought it, smacked a big old raccoon, messed up the radiator. So now I gotta replace that. But it's gonna take getting all of this off to get to it. So I gotta get this thing back on the road, because this thing right there is not doing too good. I need to get it off the road, put parts on that. This needs to be my daily. So let's do some work. Alright, to get the bumper off these cars, you gotta take the inner fender well out. And luckily for me, about 10 other people before me have taken it out, so I didn't have half the screws I needed to take out. It was quick and easy. Well, there you go. If you have an Audi TT MK1 and you want to get that radiator out, you gotta take the whole front out. But I said she was cooked. That's pretty good, huh? These stock ones have these plastic ends, and they're pretty cheap to replace, but I found this online. This one has aluminum ends. It's supposed to be a little better. It's a little thicker. I'm a little worried about the fitment of it, but let's give it a shot. It'll probably cool a little better. My only problem is my AC got pretty bent up too. I'm worried that it's going to push back into push back into the radiator and cause problems, but we'll get to that. We'll see what happens. It's also amazing when you tear into these things, all the random stuff you find, all the broken extra things you didn't know about. This is some hood latch mechanism. I don't know how important it is, but it broke off. I don't think it was actually ever attached. I think it was just sitting in there. When I pulled this apart, it fell off. So there's that. I got that weird headlight thing. The headlights need to be replaced anyway. They're pretty foggy. Plan on doing that. It's all the random bolts and screws and stuff were just missing. It's kind of nice because you don't have to take as many off, but it's weird not having everything in there. You know, it's been tore apart a couple times and it's worrisome, but I don't know, not as dry as fine. Once we get this back together, we'll see what happens. Also seem to have an oil leak somewhere. It's getting pretty crusty. Another fun little thing I found, I pulled off the coolant temp sensor, and there's supposed to be a gasket on that, I'm pretty sure, and there wasn't. So this has been pulled off, and that gasket lost at some point. But the new radiator I'm putting on had a plug, and it came with the gasket. Come on, focus. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to throw it on there, and I think we should be good to go. Alright, just like that, I think we're good to go. Come on, focus. I'm going to give it a shot. It's not in a hard spot to get to, so if it does leak, I can always pull it out and try to reseal it. Well, it didn't work. I just hand threaded that in and it pulled it out, so maybe it needs a square one instead of a round one. Oh, let's see if I got one. I don't know. It's definitely grooved for a round gasket, but as soon as you squish it into place on that, it starts spinning out, so I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna hand tighten it till it starts squishing out, and if it doesn't work that way, then I'll pull it out and reseal it.